Let's break down ionic bonds. How do ionic bonds form? It all starts when one atom transfers electrons to another, creating the strongest electrostatic attraction between these opposite charges. This process happens in 3 simple steps. First, electron transfer. Atoms naturally seek to satisfy the octet rule. Metals easily lose electrons to empty their outer shell, while non-metals eagerly take them to fill theirs. Second, ion creation. This transfer permanently turns neutral atoms into ions, which are atoms with an unequal number of protons and electrons. Third, attraction. Just like the opposite poles of magnets, the positive and negative ions snap together to create an ionic compound. Let's look at a quick example using table salt. Sodium has one valence electron it wants to get rid of, while chlorine is just one electron away from a full outer shell. Sodium transfers its electron to chlorine, creating a positive sodium ion, Na+, and a negative chloride ion, Cl-. They snap together, and boom, you have sodium chloride, everyday table salt. Chemistry has never been so attractive.